What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Today we're going to unbox some car parts. I've got some boxes here behind me. I actually started making this video a couple of weeks ago and it didn't go as planned. Maybe I'll show you a couple clips of that and we'll get into that as well. I actually have some other boxes there behind me as well. Those are actually new wheels for the car. That'll be a later video, but we'll get into that. I actually was able to redo my garage last weekend, so I'm going to show you guys that too. But anyways, let's get into today's video. Wanted to start off the video and show that I did clean up my garage, reorganize, added some things, got rid of some things. My bunny hutch for my little rabbit actually used to be right over here. He lived there for a few years. He's actually inside now. He's been through a lot. He had to go through a couple of surgeries, so we got him a nice setup in there. But anyways, with being able to get that giant area out of the way, I was able to clean up the garage and get some stuff out here that I wasn't able to have out here before, like my model car collection. This is the majority of my model cars. I do have some that didn't make it out here. I've got some at work, but I got these shelves from Sarah's grandfather, and they're absolutely amazing. I've got all my different supercars, JDM cars. I've got a picture of my dad. That was the last car show, Cars and Coffee, actually, that my dad and I ever went to before he passed away, so that picture means a lot to me. I've got my scuba driver picture up there. It was taken and given to me by my good friend Kevin. Miss Kevin a lot. Hopefully we'll see him again someday soon. But anyways, I'll show you guys a little bit of the garage and then we'll get to today's video. Got some car parts over here, some from my FRS. Began selling a few of those, just getting stuff out of the way. These are all still for sale, except for that turbo. This turbo is actually a Mini Cooper turbo. That's Kevin's. I just think it looks cool. I'll probably end up displaying that somewhere in the garage. Got my car cleaning supplies over here, some maintenance supplies, oils, all that kind of stuff. Got another picture taken by Kevin right there. Over here, I didn't really know what to do with this bookshelf, so I kind of just made a little display. Might end up getting rid of this bookshelf whenever I get a big rolling toolbox. That'll probably go right there. There's a couple cool things. And of course, tools and other supplies right over here. And I've got all my hardware and random knickknacks that used to just kind of be laying out in this IKEA desk drawer. This one actually came broken when we bought a new desk, so we got another one, so I just kind of utilized this in the garage. But anyways, let's get to the main topic of today's video, which are these car parts right over here. So like I said earlier, I actually started this video a couple of weeks ago. So this big tall box that's right here in the middle, I actually already unboxed that. But anyways, I'm gonna do it again and show you guys what's in there. The box behind there is actually a replacement for something else I got. Maybe I'll show you guys a clip of that right now. That's right. Yet another new lip for the FRS. Let's get this out of the packaging. All right. Might be a little bent up there. Dang. Look at that. Well, this is just the reality of things, guys. This lip is absolute garbage. It's completely destroyed already. All right, so that was that was interesting. That box was half the size of that, and it was supposed to have a front lip for that car in there, and it came completely bent. The funny part about that is when I took it to the post office, it still didn't really fit in the box, so they were giving me a hard time, saying that it needed a bigger box, and I kept explaining to them the reason I was returning it was because it came bent in that little box. And anyways, I ended up accepting it, and I got my refund and all of that from the seller, but got another lip in there, and we're gonna unbox this first one right now. All right, I'm sure you guys can probably guess what's in here, but anyways, we're just gonna pull it out and show you what it is. Careful, so I won't break them. But yep, that's right. We got some new side skirt, or rather side skirt extensions for the car. Show you guys a little up close of this, but these are the Aeroflow Dynamics side skirt extensions. Get this out of the package and show you what they look like. If you guys are new to the channel, this is Rainbow. She's one of my 3 dogs, and she's daddy's girl. She's a shop dog. She's always out here working on my car with me. But anyways, we've got the side skirt extensions unboxed. I just want to give you guys a little closer look of these, but these are, like I said before, the Aeroflow Dynamics side skirt extensions for the FRS and BRZ. They're metal, they look really, really awesome, and I can't wait to see what they look like on the car. Show you guys what else they came with also. So it does come with the hardware that's necessary to install them, including the screws. I think those are self-tapping screws, yep. And they come with a couple of little decals that you can put on the side skirt extensions. I'll probably put those on, but of course I'll see what they look like on the car without it. But anyways, let's get into the next package. Oh, and just to be clear, I do have side skirts on the car already, but as you can tell just by looking at them, they are completely worn out, faded, discolored. They're actually kind of that way when I got them. Luckily, I got those off a buddy a few years ago, and to me, they've done their job. I think they look good, but they're a little warped and they could use a little love. Whenever you clean them up, they look a lot better, but it's definitely time for some new ones, especially if we're gonna be doing the wide body kit. We need some side skirts that are aggressive to go along with it. Anyways, when I get those off the car, I'll probably put them up for sale for really cheap if somebody in the area wants to come get them. But anyways, on to the next package. Come on, Rainbow. All right, I know you guys already know this is the front lip, but I'll show you exactly which one it is. Hopefully this box is big enough for this front lip and it's not bent in half like the other one. I don't think it will be. Oh, here it is. Let's get this out of the way. All right, let's get this out of the package so you can see it. Here's the front lip. This is directly from Redline 360. This is the Spec B Front Lip. It's actually got the little winglets on the side. If you know, you know. I've actually had this one on my car before. I actually just threw it away. It was my 3rd lip I think I had, and I hit a thing in the road and it kind of just ripped it in half, and it was time for it to go. So I took that off the car and went ahead and got this one. This is kind of like the Rocket Bunny V1 style front lip. So I think it's gonna go extremely well with the wide body kit that we're gonna put on the car. But anyways, this is the front lip. Can't wait to get it on there. All right, so we got the new front lip, the new side extensions, the cutest dog in the world, and we got one more package right over here. This is a little smaller package, so do it right over here. All right, we got some Z-Con wide body kit hardware. Of course, if you're gonna do the wide body kit, you've gotta get the proper hardware. This one came highly recommended. It was a pretty decent price, and I went with the silver and black hardware. And you know, it comes with different instructions and stickers and all that kind of stuff, but this is all the necessary pieces we'll need to do the wide body kit. And if you want anything like this for your car, got the information right here. Rainbow's intrigued by the truck. Anyways, I also forgot to mention that the front lip comes with some necessary hardware for the install as well. One other thing I wanted to mention before I wrap up the video is I do actually have a new fender on the way for the car. As you've seen in other videos and probably my posts, this fender has seen better days. It's blown out, it's bent, it's dented, it's missing paint. But yeah, I ordered a new OEM fender from Toyota yesterday. I should have it on Monday, and I'll get it painted at work, and just in time for us to cut the new fender, one, so we can fit the vertical doors on it, but also so we can get the wide body on there. So I think that's kind of funny. I'm gonna get a new fender and then I'm immediately gonna cut it, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. And with that, I think we're gonna wrap up today's video. We got some new car parts. Like I said, we have some new wheels back there, but I'm not really sure when I'm gonna unveil those yet. I do have to do some test fitting, make sure that they're gonna work with the wide body. And then we'll get into all that in a later video. I was gonna install these parts in today's video, but I think I'm gonna save that for next time. The car is pretty dirty. I wanna make sure I have some time to do it and do it right. I filmed other videos of me installing front lips and of course the side skirts that are on the car, so you can browse through my channel. You can find me installing side skirts and front lip for people that have never done it before. It was my first time ever doing it. Side skirts have been on there for a while, but this is my third, maybe my fourth front lip. That's just what happens when you have a low car. But anyways, I want to get those things on there. I'll film maybe some of that and make a new video. But I've got some yard work to do. It's about 95 degrees outside already. And anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you did like it by giving it a thumbs up. Also, let me know if you're ready for the wide body videos. I'm ready to get that started when I have some time. Gonna get the new Fender on there, go ahead and get these installed, test fit the wheels, and when I have some time, we'll start filming the wide body. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I can see you in the next one. Peace.